Yep. Lots of things. Lots of cicadas. The cicada is a wily bug. He is lazy and loud. He likes to go while I'm trying to film things. And when they get big, they just leave the old skin around, and that's just rude. Cause you know other people gotta clean that up, and you should clean up after yourself. Like when I poop in the floor, I clean it up. I go, oh no, I'm pooping in the floor. Pooped in the floor, and I clean it up. But the cicada bugs come to your house, they throw a party, and then they don't clean up. Oop, lip. No. Ah. In the beautiful Kentucky, the grass, they said, is blue. Looks green to me, buddy. The same as in all the other places. Bugs, what? Bugs. They said they got bugs. Hey, look what I found. It's a foot! Dude, where'd that foot come from?